In the last presentation, we have discussed what is strip method. Strip method is capable of removing leading and trailing white spaces if we want to provide any arguments to it. If we provide some characters, then it is capable of removing those characters from the leading and trailing positions of the string. This is what we have learned in the last presentation. Now we are ready to discuss few more methods related to string, and let's see the topics of this presentation. The first topic is lstrip method. So we will understand what is lstrip method. After this, the next topic is rstrip method. After this, we will solve some problems. And then after this, I will throw one homework problem in front of you. So now let's understand what is lstrip method. Lstrip method by default removes the leading white spaces only. So if we want to provide any argument to this lstrip method, then it is capable of removing the leading white spaces only. So it can remove leading white spaces, not the trailing ones. L stands for left. This is what you can think of. So it is capable of removing white spaces from the left of the string only. Now, in order to understand this concept better, let's discuss one simple example. And for this, we need to open our command prompt and we need to activate the Python interactive shell. After activating the Python interactive shell, we are ready to type in the commands here. Let's type this command, this hello world string with some leading and trailing white spaces. After this string, we need to add this dot. Thereafter, we need to add the name of the method, which is lstrip, and then we need to provide these parentheses. Now if we hit enter, we will get this string hello world with some trailing white spaces. Now why is that the case? These white spaces are completely preserved. This method has not removed these white spaces, but it has removed leading white spaces. The reason is pretty simple. lstrip is capable of removing the leading white spaces only. Now by default, it can remove leading white spaces. This is the reason why these spaces are removed and these spaces are not removed. And this is the reason why we are getting this string. I hope this idea is clear. Similar to strip method, we can also provide characters to this lstrip method, and it will look for those characters in the leading positions and remove them. That is what we need to understand. So lstrip method can only remove characters in the leading position or from the left of the string. Now, as we have understood what is lstrip method, let's move on to the next topic, which is rstrip method. Let's now understand what is rstrip. As the name itself suggests, rstrip method by default can only remove the trailing white spaces. So it is capable of removing the trailing white spaces from the string. R stands for right, which means that rstrip method is capable of removing white spaces from the right. For example, let's open our command prompt and let's type this command, hello world, and then after dot, in place of lstrip, we should add rstrip and then parentheses. Let's hit enter, and this time we will get this string with leading white spaces. Now why is that the case? Rstrip method is capable of removing the trailing white spaces only, and that too by default when we won't provide any arguments to it. So it is capable of removing these white spaces only, and this is the reason why we are getting this string. I hope the idea of lstrip and rstrip is completely clear, and this means we are done with these two topics. Now let's move on and let's solve some problems. The first problem is, what is the output of the following code? So this is the command prompt, and here is the line of code. Solving any problem is an art, the string with some leading and trailing white spaces. After this, we have dot strip. This method is strip method, and to this strip method, I have provided this string with two characters. One is dot and the other one is a white space. Now what happens if I hit enter? Pause the video for a while and try to find the solution to this problem. I hope you're done. Okay, let's try solving this together. Here we have this entire string, and in place of lstrip or rstrip, we have strip method. Okay, Strip method is capable of removing leading and trailing characters. Here to the strip method we have provided two characters. One is dot and the other one is white space. So this means it will remove all white spaces and dot from leading and trailing positions of this string. So it will remove this white space, it will remove these white spaces, and it will also remove this dot. If I hit enter, we will get solving any problem is an art and without any leading and trailing white spaces and full stop. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next problem. What is the output of the following code? Again, this is the command prompt and the command is solving any problem is an art, the same string with dot strip, and this time the argument to this strip method is this empty string. So not even a single character is within this string, not even a white space character. What happens in this case when I hit enter? Pause the video for a while and try solving this problem on your own. I hope you're done. Now let me hit enter and let's see what happens. Here we will get this entire string with leading and trailing white spaces. Nothing has been removed in this case. Now why is that the case? We are getting this entire string. To the strip method, we are passing an empty string, which means not even a single character we are passing to the strip method. So it will not remove any character. As simple as that. So if it is the requirement that we want to use strip method but we don't want to remove any character, then in that case we can pass an empty string to it. This is also possible. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the third problem. Fill in the blanks. In this program, there are a total of 4 commands. The first command is str equal to I am Jaspreet with 2 white spaces and a full stop. The second command is str.lstrip with this string provided as an argument. The third command is str.rstrip with this same string provided as an argument, and the fourth command is str. Apart from this, it can be observed that the outputs of these commands are not provided here. Your job is to fill in these blanks. So I would encourage you to pause the video for a while and try to find the solution to this problem on your own. I hope you're done. Okay, let's move on to the solution. Let's try to understand how these commands work. The first command is a simple assignment statement. After executing this command, str will point to this string. The second command is str.lstrip with this string provided as an argument. This string consists of total 5 characters: I, white space, A, am, and full stop. lstrip method has the capability to remove the characters of the string from the left. It depends upon the argument provided to it. These characters will be compared with the characters of the string, and if there is a match, then the characters will be removed accordingly. This method is applied on str, which means that lstrip method is applied on this string. It will start removing the characters from the left. It will first compare this character with the characters of this string. If there is at least one match, then it will remove this character. If there is no match, then it will not do anything, it will stop. So let's compare this character with the characters of this string. Is this character contained within the string? Yes, the first character itself is a match. Therefore, this character will be removed by lstrip method. After this character, we have a white space character. Is white space character contained within this string? Yes, the second character of this string is a white space character. Hence, this character will also be removed. The third character is small a. Is small a contained within this string? Yes, the third character is small a. Therefore, small a will also be removed. What about small m? Small m will also be removed because small m is contained within this string. What about this white space character? This white space character will also be removed because white space character is available within this string. Hence, we will remove this character also. What about capital J? Capital J will not be removed because capital J is not available within this string. Hence, lstrip method will stop at this point, and therefore we will get this string Jaspreet with 2 white spaces and a full stop. I hope the concept is completely clear. Now let's move on to the third command, str.rstrip. And to this rstrip method, the same string I am full stop is provided as an argument. This method works the same as lstrip method, but it will remove the characters from the right. So let's start reading this string from the right. Is full stop available within this string? Yes, full stop is available here, hence this character will be removed. What about these 2 white space characters? These white space characters will also be removed because white space character is available within this string. What about small t? Small t will not be removed because small t is not available within this string. Hence, rstrip method will stop here. And this means that we will get this string I am Jaspreet. So with this, I hope the concept of lstrip and rstrip is completely clear. Now let's move on to the fourth command, str. If we hit enter here, we will get this string I am Jaspreet with 2 white spaces and a full stop. Why are we getting this string? The reason is pretty simple. lstrip and rstrip methods have not modified the original string. The str is still containing the same string I am Jaspreet with 2 white spaces and a full stop. This is the reason why we are getting this string. If in place of str.lstrip we would have str equal to str.lstrip, then in that case we are making str point to this stripped string and not the original string. But this is not the case. Here also, if in place of str.rstrip we would have str equal to str.rstrip, then we will make str point to this string and not this string. But this is not the case here. Hence, str will hold the original string, and this is the reason why we are getting this string. I hope with this problem, the entire concept of lstrip and rstrip is completely clear. Now, let's move on to the homework problem. What is the output of the following code? We have this code, my name is Jaspreet, this entire string, and dot rstrip. And to this rstrip method, I have provided 3 characters, m, y, and white space. Now your job is to determine what happens to the string and what would be the output in this case. So we are done with all the topics. We have understood what is lstrip method, what is rstrip method, and we have solved some problems, as well as I have thrown one homework problem in front of you which you need to solve on your own. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation. I will see you in the next one.